Gas, $1.50. I have another website client that's kind of slow getting back to me. I want to get the ball rolling today so I can make an additional $1,000. If a potential client stops responding to you and kind of ghosts you, send them memes. I sent them the Spider-Man meme saying I'm just hanging around waiting for a response, and they responded right away. I've been asked what's up with all these videos I've been doing, and I remind people creativity is a muscle. If you don't stretch the muscle, you'll lose the creativity. In order to have a successful business, you need to take time aside for yourself and your family. Burnout is real. Mental health burnout is even more real. Realer. More real.